along with my fellow officers, made all the difference. Their guidance and friendship were invaluable, proving that teamwork and faith can overcome any challenge. I am deeply grateful for their belief in me. Kung di tungod sa SSLG, di ko makamaw ng editing. Salamat, SSLG. Now, I want to take a moment to express my sincere and heartfelt appreciation to all our junior high school advisors and subject teachers from grade 7 to grade 10, as well as to our student teachers from TMC. Your dedication to education and your individual contribution to our learning experience have been invaluable. I am particularly grateful for your patience, your encouragement, and the positive learning environment you cultivated. Your guidance extended beyond the classroom, shaping not only our academic development, but also our personal growth. Thank you for your unwavering commitment and for making a lasting impact on our lives. To my parents, my deepest gratitude. Your love, support, and sacrifices are the foundation of this accomplishment. You instilled in me the values that led me here, nurtured my dreams, and believed in me when I doubted myself. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. Hindi ako pwede mapagod dahil hindi napapagod ang nagpapaaral. Salamat sa tanang sakripisyo, mga pa. Bisan to, kasi ko kabadlo mo. Ma, pa, este, you did it. Nag-rank 1 inyong kamaghuran. Fellow computers, let this be a reminder to cherish and love our parents. They are our first teachers in life, guiding us through our earliest years. To all the hardworking students out there, remember na dili lang ta hardworking sa school, kundi pati po sa atong panangalay, contributing to the harmony and well-being of our families, just as we strive for excellence in our studies. My heartfelt thanks also go to my incredible group of school friends with my lunch and lawat partners: Alona, Jasmine, Ria, Ella, Natalie, May, Dinanre, Renante, Grace, Princess, Faith, Diana, and Maria. Our friendship, laughter, and shared experiences have created memories that I will cherish forever. Thank you for being such a wonderful and supportive part of my life. And a special acknowledgement to our boys at the back: Glenn, Dio, Dian, Jake, Jasper, Chris, Christian, Delwell, Sia, Andy, Ron, Meljon, Joshua, John Paul, and Ken. Your unique brand of camaraderie, your unwavering support, and the countless laughs we shared have been a constant source of joy and encouragement throughout these years. Our friendship has been a significant part of my junior high experience, and I am incredibly grateful for the bond we formed. Salamat sa mga kabuang na murag dili na kabuang. You've made this journey so much more enjoyable. To all of you, my fellow computers, we're starting a new chapter with exciting things to come, but also some tough times ahead. Dream fearlessly, for as Nelson Mandela wisely said, it always seems impossible until it's done. Embrace this journey with open hearts and unwavering determination, holding fast to the unique purpose that defines each of us. Don't merely dream, act with determination. Chase your aspirations with perseverance, courage, and unwavering persistence, transforming those dreams into achievable realities. Let the wisdom of Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6 guide your steps. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. And remember the resilient spirit of the Bisaya people. Kabalotang alisod, pero dili ta kabalo ma-surrender. This unwavering spirit will sustain us through setbacks and propel us towards success. Let your own light shine brightly, illuminating the path not only for ourselves, but for others as well. Let's support one another, lift each other up, and create a community of shared purpose and mutual encouragement. Together, we can and will create a brighter, clearer, and more fulfilling future for each and every one of us. Congratulations, class of 2024 to 2025. May your journey be marked by purpose, passion, and unwavering success. Layo pa ta sa tinuod, pero layo-layo na po ta sa kung asa ta nagsugod. All glory to God. Thank you.
Thank you, Jenna, for your words of